Kenya's medal hot streak in the Africa Weightlifting Champions come Olympic qualifiers in Nairobi continued with team captain Maurice Aromo winning silver in the men's 89-kilogram category. Aromo scored 102 points in the snatch and 132 in the clean and jerk for a total of 234 points. The father of two finished second behind Algerian Tou-Airis Faris, who lifted up to 165 points in the snatch to set a new African record. The 22-year-old went ahead to score 170 points in the clean and jerk to bring his total tally to 335 points to win the coveted gold. Aromo's achievement brings Kenya's medal haul to 14, 8 silver and 6 bronze.